Hey everybody, Matt Shinian here. Welcome to my studio. I'm just packing up for our trip to Barcelona, and Elena and I are very, very excited about going. We're going to see Emma, our daughter Emma, and it's going to be awesome. I have a little residency, a micro residency with R.A.R.O. Barcelona, and it's in what's kind of cool little storefront looking studio. Anyways, we're all dialed in to be there Monday at 12 o'clock, and pretty cool. So I thought I'd show you my setup, and I'm taking, of course, more stuff that I actually bring on a daily basis. This is my easel camera. It's really just a camera stand, and I hold that's the palette that I keep like there. This actually should go over here with the brushes, and here with this top here, I can take this top off, and I made this little, I guess you call it a palette or it's for the paper. I tape it on with this blue tape, and I do that at home. I put this up, and I'll have a bag at the end of the thing. I'll put it in a bag so it doesn't get messy. So I don't want to clean. It's kind of too big, but that's okay. The backpack I use this backpack on a daily basis. But I'm going to be taking the stuff, I'm going to be taking a carry-on. I'm not sorry, carry. This is going to be checked. I'm going to check this with everything, and then probably some shoes and stuff that didn't fit in our carry-ons. Anyways, let me get into, so what I have is, of course, a palette and I guess we call it an easel. This is a camera, a camera stand. And so it comes with this little thing, and I made this, you can kind of see that there. It had to be a little thicker for some reason. There's a T-nut on that. So I can't show you that. So then I have, okay, silly but important, a little water container for my daily paintings. I have a big one. I'm not sure if I'm going to take this one. It's handy to have also. Maybe I'll have two. Maybe not. Blue tape. I got to have blue tape. Then I have a box of paint. I'm not going to take the box, but there's all my watercolor and gouache. And maybe I'll thin this out a little bit before I go. But that's that. And I won't take that box. I'll take some of this. Here are my brushes. I won't take this can. I'll do something else. But maybe I'll use that other plastic thing. And what else do I have? That's all the watercolor stuff. Now for the drawing, I also have these things. I've got a small watercolor book, a sketch drawing book, drawing pad, just to have. I have some packing tape, just I thought that might be handy when you're packing stuff up. It's a little extra. Of course, I have pencils. I'll have pencils. I might go through that. Maybe I'll take some charcoal just for the hell of it. And of course, a sharpener. That's sort of important. The pad. This is the watercolor pad. That's what I like to have. I like to use, and I just take one sheet at a time on that easel thing, because I don't want it to weigh that much. I want to be really light. I want to be, Another thing I have which I kind of like, and this is a 2-week residency, so I'm going to have some time. This is Arches paper I had just laying around. It's just some. I like to draw on this. This is sort of a nice drawing surface, and there's an extra pad. So again, I don't take this every day on a daily painting, but I'll want to have it around. The other thing I take is just again to have, let me see. Yeah. I like to have with me pretty much is some cards, some small cards and some large cards. It's got the QR code for my website, and so I like to have these when I'm out painting. just in case I meet somebody. And then for the studio stuff, I'm just going to put some of these other things, articles. It's an article about my grandpa. That's a show, and then the website. And there's the prosaic realism thing I wrote, and there's an article about by John Katz. So I just thought I'd bring these things and put them up, and it's like instant portfolio and stuff. So that's pretty much it. I think that's everything I need. There may be a few little things here and there, but I don't think I think that's pretty much it. And all I have to do is pack it in there, and make sure I don't leave my passport at home. Anyways, that's today's fun, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.